You know the end there, they'll come go post for the next post. They'll come say, oh my God, for all those that have been asking for my account number, here is it. Who asked you? That guy just come they sing, no worry you. You see the way the guy they worry M.O.P for backstage. Rubbish. I bet if I don't clap for me, I'm not clap for my shoe. May we not go get issue. I want to go find this my shoe buy you. Because today for this country, so now work out all of us you. Nowhere. God, this country, when I go photo, Nigeria don't turn upside down. And from Benin they come from, make I agree to now. Oba elok by eh. Now so they agree to, according to our Baba. Country don't turn upside down. We stay here, my friend, father. Lawyer will go write will for client. Don't first client die. Is that the will of God? You know, as a rich man, if you are wealthy like DJ, you will have a will for your children. But if you are poor, oh, I feel you still do poor example now. Okay. If you are poor, you have a wish. You will leave your wish behind. How I wish I don't marry this woman. Poverty, the bastard, though. I can never be poor. This life, just make money, oh. Even if you don't need them, just make them. Money. This guy was my classmate, University of Benin. Graduate. He had 2-1. Now, no work. The guy, they hold camera with 2 hands. Wanna clap. Yes. Don't make them tough. Baba, see here. Oh, God. Nigerian girls, why are you guys not straightforward, Nigerian girls? No, we're not straight. See, American girl now. Which day will they finish Christmas? Imagine American girl want to ask for something from a guy. They go straight to the point. They get their work or she get money, but she just want me to buy her something. She go post for WhatsApp. American girl. Please, who can get me a weave on for this Christmas? Please, I need. American girl. Nigerian girl. You won't ask the same thing. See where did she go right? Person will never buy Christmas hair. Now small thing they vex am. They go through corner. Fear Nigerian girls, so. American girl, they won't post about boy where they love. They go post boy picture. They'll write caption. I love you, John. We know she's dating. But I can't get one do the same thing. No picture. You go just write, I love you. If you know, you know. We don't know. Girls, fear girls, so. You know, see all these girls, they before one night. Now let you get, you they do birthday. Your birthday now tomorrow. This night, you don't send broadcast of your picture. Now you use your hand, send them, say, celebrate me. Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow reach now, we post it for WhatsApp. Come they write. Only you can still screenshot and can say, wow, I see me everywhere. Oswald. You know the end there, they'll come go post for the next post. They'll come say, oh my God. For all those that have been asking for my account number, here is it. Who asked you? Nigerian girls. Okay. And DJ, I don't notice something say, nobody check up on you past who you promise money. As you post for WhatsApp like this, the first 3 viewers, the person go there. They go they monitor your life. Which day I promised one guy for Benin money, I forget. At the job turkey, now I just post them for status. Then the guy reply me, nice one. And you know say once you promise person money, anything where you post, you consign them more, you no consign them more, you go want to contribute. So that you go to see a last message. Say, bros, never forget to. Which day I just wake up, I promise person money, now I just post for WhatsApp. This life. Now, I promise money, writes me. He reply, say, bros, sense full, wait till you talk. Wait till I talk. The guy they try to follow me up to meet up. Back to back. And I don't notice. Why we say, who they go buy condom for chemists? No, they ever day in a hurry. Man, as you enter pharmacy, as a nurse say, sir, what do you want? Say, no, don't worry. Attend to them. I'm here. You go wait for yourself for everybody. Now, tell her, say, pharmacy, give me condom. For where? You go, they call through corner and say, okay. Do you have vitamin C? All right, give me one. Oh, okay. Do you have Panadol? All right, give me one. Do you guys sell Tom Tom? All right, give me 2 Tom Tom. All right. Yeah, give me condom. So as a wife here, if you just check your husband car, you see things we no relate, like Tom Tom, Fly G. I know say you know the purge. Tell her say, honey, where is the condom? I want to say update. I never marry. Okay. Now let me do this. I don't notice say turkey where person they pay for you. The sweet pass why they pay with your money. Don't notice that. You get the kind of flavor where they get. Maybe now you and person just go restaurants now. DJ and carry you go restaurant. Nigerians will be hypocrite. All of us not thief. Now person won't buy for a DJ and come say, okay, take what you want. You say, all right. Because in a person they pay, you come the form say you wise, say you dey humble. Because do you guys have rice? Yes. All right. Give me rice. The guy go say, how many portions? You say, just one. For your mind now 2. But because now person the guy go serve him. You say, okay, do you want plantain? No, I don't need it. She'll come ask you, what protein do you want? Just give me beef. 1 beef. Because now person they pay. You know that? Because in a person they pay, you go form, say you no care. You say, give me beef. Make the person say you they considerate. Now, trust who they pay. You go look at, bro, beef. No. Take turkey. You go say, Oh yeah, give me turkey. Now the guy don't give you turkey, you throw a face. You don't care about the turkey. They go serve for you, go eat. Now when you enter fast food and now you they pay, I have come to discover, sir, who they pay for turkey, nobody has ever accepted the first turkey given to him. As now you they pay, as the guy raise the turkey up, you say, no, drop it. Drop it. No, drop it. The first turkey goes small for your eye. You're going to say, drop it. Give me that one. The guy goes, no, not that one now, my sister. Do this thing where? And that one under. Oh yeah, raise it. As she raise it up now, the same thing you say, oh my God. Now, who come buy food where you know you're going to say, bros, can you imagine turkey? Turkey not the small. If I try one clap for me now, but I do make a random.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.